Hello children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine and staying fit at your home. So children, welcome to today's session. Do you know children which festival we are celebrating today? Yes, the name of the festival is Harela. So our today's theme is Save the Environment. Why I am taking this theme Save the Environment? What is the connection between environment and Harela? So now I am going to tell you and clear you some important facts about the Harela. So first, as you know, Harela is a Hindu festival. ये हिंदुओं का त्यौहार होता है and basically celebrated in the Kumaon region in Uttarakhand, and it is also celebrated in Himachal Pradesh and some region of शिमला ऑल्सो. ये हिमाचल प्रदेश और शिमला के भी कुछ जगहों पे मनाया जाता है. सेकेंड थिंग इज इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड थ्राइस इन एवरी ईयर. मीन्स ये एक साल में कितनी बार मनाया जाता है? 3 बार. इट इज ऑल्सो अ सिंबल ऑफ ऑनसेट ऑफ द रेनी सीजन, जिसको हम मानसून भी कहते हैं. एज हरेला लिटरली मीन्स द डे ऑफ ग्रीन. इसको हम डे ऑफ ग्रीन भी कहते हैं. हरेला means Haryali. In this festival, we were marked as a religious festival. The people make clay statue of the Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati and celebrate this festival as their wedding and worship them. In this time, people sow the seeds of the new plants and join their hand in the form of pranam for saving the environment. So, आपके घरों में भी seeds को sow किया गया है? हाँ, हम लोग अपने मंदिरों में, ये जो फार्मर्स होते हैं वो लोग अपने फील्ड्स में नए नए सीड्स को सो करके न्यू प्लांट्स को ग्रो करते हैं. एंड प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं? प्लांट्स हेल्प अस टू मेक आवर एनवायरनमेंट क्लीन, जिससे हमें ऑक्सीजन भी मिलती है. सो प्लांट्स का एनवायरनमेंट में होना बहुत ज़रूरी है एंड वी ऑल हैव टू सेव द एनवायरनमेंट. हम सबको एनवायरनमेंट को सेव करना चाहिए और प्लांट्स को कट नहीं करना चाहिए, प्लांट्स को ग्रो करना चाहिए. तो आज हम लोग एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे जिसमें मैं आपको हरेला में बोए जाने वाले 7 टाइप्स के जो सीड्स हैं उनको सो करके दिखाऊंगी और आप भी अपने घर पे इसको करने की कोशिश करेंगे. अदरवाइज आप कोई भी एक अपना मनपसंद का प्लांट, फ्लावर, ओके, और फ्रूट्स, वट एवर प्लांट you have or you want, you can sow it and let them grow it.
So children, for sowing process we need some different types of seeds. Here I took 7 types of seeds as I have told in Harela. We will sow these 7 types of seeds. Now have a look at. First one, these are the corn seeds. Children, we consume these seeds as a corn flakes. Okay. Next are the black grapes, जिन्हें हम उड़द की दाल भी कहते हैं. You can ask to your mama to show you. Next are the barley. It is also called jaw in Hindi. Next seeds we will take are the paddy seeds or chawal. Okay. Next we will take some yellow mustard seeds. There are many types of mustard seeds like black and yellow in color. Next we will take the gram seeds. We used to eat these with halwa chana. Okay. Next and the last lenticel is the horse gram seeds. These are the horse gram seeds, जिसे हम सामान्य भाषा में गहत की दाल भी कहते हैं. Have a closer look. And another one thing children we want, this is soil pot in which we filled this pot with the moist soil. Okay, and it is ready to sowing. As you can see here we took moist soil. Okay बच्चों, इसको हमको मिट्टी में पानी डाल के इस तरह इसको मॉइस्चराइज कर लेना है. Now start sowing. Now we will start mixing of the seeds like this. Mix it well. Now we will spread them in the soil like this. Spread it well
सॉइल में इस प्रकार डालेंगे, देखिए
properly.
हर जगह छोटी छोटी जगह.
Okay, now we will mix it with the soil and pour some water on it. It helps to seeds germinate or grow. So okay children, now our sowing process is completed this way. After 7 or 10 days it will grow, and that prepared plant specially called the harela. So children, in this picture you can see that grown harela, which you can also see at your home. Children, you also have to plant a tree and try to save the environment, because planting trees are the good for the environment. Okay, and they give off the oxygen. Children, now celebrate the harela with your family. Happy harela to all of you children. Enjoy your day. Thank you.